Have you ever been in the supermarket, in the oil aisle, picked up some oil that you saw that said ginger oil and wondered, how does this work? Wonder no more. I am here to answer those questions for you with easy, simple recipes. So all you gotta do is sit back, relax, and whip it up with fresh fried ginger. If you are crazy about fish fingers, well, this is that episode for you because I'm gonna be showing you how to make the best fish fingers all by using fresh fried ginger oil. All you gotta do is sit back, relax, as we whip it up with fresh fried ginger. Cut your fish fillet into strips. Dust them with a cornflour mixture. In my mixture, I have garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and the cornflour, of course. Once you've coated them with the flour, go ahead and fry until crispy. Here is your fresh fried ginger oil tip of the day. If you are looking for your fish fingers to be extra spicy, make sure you add your cayenne pepper to your corn flour because the corn flour mixture plus the fresh fried ginger oil will make things extra spicy. There is a lot of heat when it comes to the fresh fried ginger. And if you're just looking for things to be mild and chill, for those of you who like them chill, well, just use fresh fried ginger oil. Just on its own. Don't add cayenne pepper to your corn flour. That is my tip of the day. Now that our fish fillet is extra crispy, just how I like it. That's the thing about corn flour a lot of people don't know. It gets your fish fingers extra crispy. We're gonna just, double dip maybe. I know I broke some rules while making these fish fingers by not using breadcrumbs, but I'm the TDQ. I break a lot of rules to make food delicious. I hope this is a recipe you're going to be trying out. Let me know in the comment section below.